So good evening everyone, I am Sam Saidal Situngo. So now I will teach you how to create partition and a file system. So first go to the search bar. You can type run if you cannot see in the search bar the run, or create and format hard disk. So there are two techniques I will teach you, but I will use the create and format hard disk so you can easily create a partition. Okay, so you can see the disk management, so you can click what you want. So I will click the D and right click and shrink. You click the shrink volume and wait for a while. Then you can type the amount of space to shrink in MB. So sample 20,000. So shrink. Then click shrink. Then wait for a while. So you can click the unallocated. Right click. Then use simple volume. Then click next. So if you see this, the maximum disk space in MB, simple volume size in MB. Nothing will change. There's no changing in the number of volume. Don't click anything, but you can click the next button, then assign the following drive letter. You will click the next, and the format partition, you always click the next, then finish, then wait for a while. Okay, then minimize. So if you can see, go to your file management. Then go to this PC, and then you can see the new volume. And that will be all.